Hey, raise the whoop. Hey, raise the whoop. Hey, now go and do it for me. Now I do it. Hey, now I mean that. Hey. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another Raise the Wolf Wednesdays, guys. So y'all know last video, I got out the stuff that I really don't wear, really isn't flattering on me, really just does not eat the way I wanted to. So I got rid of the stuff, you know. If you already watched it, you know, you already know what I did in that video. But if you didn't watch it, I suggest you go watch it before you watch this video. It's not like it's like a series or anything, but you know, the videos kind of go hand in hand together, so I just think you should watch it anyways. I'm gonna be upcycling the stuff in my closet that I never wear because it's not altered to fit me good and snatch my waist. This collared shirt right here being my main focus right now because, dude, I want to wear this shirt so bad, but it's not altered to fit me the way I need it to. So I'm gonna make it fit, you know, make it snatched up, you know. I have a whole pile of stuff here. I don't know if I'm gonna get to all of this stuff today, but I do hope that I at least get to most of it. I do want to do the main things first though, but y'all see it as I go. It's a surprise. So starting off with this shirt, let's just put it on real quick to like show y'all what is hidden on right now. So are we seeing this shirt booty at dookie hole, you know, baggy, not flattering at all? I want to snatch it up like this, you know, make it real cute, you know. Yeah. Ow! Ow, my toe! Okay, so we're at my station here, which is my vanity chair with my sewing machine sitting on top of it. Can I peel it? Oh, I can peel it off. Oh my god. Oh yeah, that was nice. Anyways, I can really just eye this shirt out. I don't really have to really measure it or anything like that because I pretty much know. Plus this is like a stretchy shirt, so it's just like regardless, even if it's a little too tight, it's still not gonna be too tight because it needs to be really tight anyways. Yeah, if it's too tight, then that's a good thing. It needs to be too tight. I just don't want to make it suffocating now. Like that's the only thing I'm worried about, but I don't think that I really have to worry about that too much now because usually I'm okay. What's up, me boys, baby? What's up, me boys? Did I mention how happy I am to be finally doing this right now? Because these clothes have just been sitting and yeah, I don't want them to sit any longer because I really want to wear them. So I'm just sad because I wanted to get some fabric dye for that red corset, but I didn't get any and we're already filming. So hey, you know what? It don't matter. It's okay. Okay, hopefully I don't have to go over it again and make it tighter because I really don't. I want to do this one pass, y'all. I'm so tired. Oh, why is it already giving it's too big still? Because I want it to be really tight. Okay, let's just do it now. If I get up and try it on and already be disappointed. Actually it just still looks bad. So we just need to take in a lot more. Like I'm talking a lot more. And this is how she looks. Perfect. I think it looks so good. I'm so happy about this. Like I can't wait to finally be able to wear this shirt because it's so cute. It's inside out right now, of course, because I still have to cut this off because it'll look so weird with this, you know, inside of it, folded up and bunched up and stuff. Okay, yeah, this is what it looks like. Fully, you know, on, cut off, you know. I think it looks really good. The back, you know, looks good. You wouldn't even be able to tell that I altered it. I love this shirt so much. I'm gonna wear it so much now. Like I'm probably gonna pick it up more than any other shirt that I have now. I seriously love being able to just alter my clothes myself. Next I have these pants. They're ultra high rise polyester pants that I thrifted not that long ago. I was hoping they would just be like regular skinny pants and I thought that they would be really cute, but they're not. They're high-waisted and they are also like kind of high waters, and I'm hoping that if I, you know, make them low rise, they'll turn into regular pants. But if they don't turn into regular pants, I'm thinking about turning into shorts or a mini skirt. I don't know, but yeah. Now the zipper is high as So I don't know how this is about to turn out with making them low rise. I didn't even think about how high the zipper was when I got the pants, but I hope that this turns out good. But I'm thinking that like I can just cut the zipper, because I've cut zippers before, so it's just like this should work, you know. But shit, we about to see right now. And then these are ultra high waisted. Even if I put it right there, it'll still, I don't know, I'm gonna try that first. I'm gonna try to like the very bottom of the zipper first before I sew it all the way up. Boys will be boys, baby. Boys will be boys. I hope I didn't just fuck these pants in, because then it'll for sure have to be a skirt. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. It'll have to be a skirt. But I just love the way this fabric looks. Like, the stripes are so cool. I hate it so bad that instead of punching one of those little tags through the clothes, they staple it. Is it cheaper? Like, I doubt it's cheaper. It seems like it would be like the same price. If anything, it seems like staples would be more expensive. Oh, they're still so high. Oh, they're still so high. This is not giving low at all. And I like my pants low. Bro, I wish I realized that it was ultra high rise. Like, what the Okay, so this is how the pants look. As you can see, they stop awkwardly right there, and I also just don't like the way they fit as pants, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and turn them into shorts. I feel like in the summer I'm gonna appreciate the fact that I turned these into shorts more so than pants anyways, but I also really don't like these as pants that much. I think I'm more into low-rise flare jeans, but I've been trying to get into skinny jeans. I just haven't really found like my perfect pair of skinny jeans. I'm gonna cut it a lot lower so that I can fold it up and sew it down so that it doesn't have any like weird frayed edges. Not very worried about how good this cut looks right now, because like I said, I'm gonna fold it up and sew it. So plus I'm probably about to cut more because it'll probably be too bulky if I fold it up from right here. So since I'm such a bad YouTuber, I forgot to show me cutting pants leg off, but like, do you really care that much? Like, you know what I did? Like, it's not like I like cut the camera off and then like my hands turned into scissors and I cut it off or something, and I have some type of secret superpower or anything. That isn't the case or anything like that. I don't know what makes you think that? What makes you think I have? Now the pants leg is off, but I'm thinking maybe I can turn this little leg into some leg warmers, because that would be kind of cute, right? Yeah, let's just be sustainable here and maybe turn these into leg warmers, because I've been seeing these really cute leg warmer things on Pinterest, and they're actually really, really cute. And I also have lace trim from the last DIY project that I did, and I'm thinking this could work, like at the bottom. I don't even know what I'm doing. I literally need my iron, but like I really don't feel like getting up to get it. Like seriously, I don't like doing all of that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just eye it out, and we're just gonna hope for the best and hope that this doesn't come apart, because that would fucking suck. I feel like that's long, bro. Like, dang, it's strict around here. I'm gonna just try it on first, see, because I kind of do want these to be like normal everyday shorts. Like, not every short gotta stop at your butt line, girl. Like, these probably already do stop at my butt line. Talk about something strict around here. Like, nah, bro. Like, is this normal, bro? I don't even know at this point. Okay, whatever. I'm doing this because I'm doing me. I'm doing me. I'm living life right now, right? Okay, so this is what the shorts look like. I think they're cool, you know? I do wish that they were low-rise, because they come all the way up here, and I really hate how far up they come. But once I cover it with the shirt, you know, it's cute, so I really don't care. Yeah, I know I'm gonna appreciate this so much when the summer comes and, you know, I have these shorts to wear, because good shorts are really hard to come across, you know, like especially like some really good booty shorts, like some that like are booty shorts, like real booty shorts, like show a little bit of your butt a little bit, and they're not high-waisted as hell. Like, it's like they didn't invent booty shorts until the high-waisted era or something. Like, bro, what's going on? Like, no was wearing low-rise booty shorts. Like, yes, I want everything out. I want everything out. Why is it so strict around here? Like, yeah, I'm gonna maybe turn these into level. I don't know, bro. It just feels like this is not gonna be easy. Like, let me see. Wait, because why does that low-key work? Wait, let me go put both on. Let me look at it first. Yeah, so no, actually they're like ugly because they're too skinny and they don't like do what I want them to do properly. So we will not be turning those into leg warmers. But hey, maybe one day we'll make those cute leg warmers. I don't know. It just yeah. Anyways, I'm about to do the same thing I did to this shirt to this one. This one has a lot less stretch. This probably should be a lot easier since it has so much less stretch, but also a little harder because it has less stretch, so it's like a lot more room for error. Then I'm still teetering on if I want to make this off the shoulder sweater tighter or not. This is just so cute, and I almost just don't even want to touch it because it's like, it's cute oversized, but you know, oversized isn't really my thing per se too much. It's cute though. Like, I'll wear an oversized sweater sometimes if I'm like just chilling, but it's like, I don't want this sweater to just be chilling. I want to wear it like normally. I don't know. Just realized that I didn't show a try on for this shirt, but I'm not about to put it on, dude. I'm not about to put it on, take it off, put it on, take it off. Y'all see that it clearly doesn't fit me and I have to size it down. Okay, so back to my station. Okay, so it's like it could go a little tighter, but if I go any tighter, I'm not gonna be able to fit it over my head. So I think that this is gonna work. If I want, like, you know, these to be, you know, better, then I could just put a bra on. So I think it'll work regardless. And yeah, it's still super cute. I do wish there was like a button up here. On the other one, it was really cute because like the opening was kind of right there, so like if I close it up here to have like a little opening, and I think that's such a sexy like cut on a shirt. I don't know what kind of shirts those are, but I love it. I love the little oval in the middle, but this shirt is really cute. Now I can wear it as much as I want. Next is this dress. I really don't know what I want to do with this fabric because I kind of wanted to turn this into a bolero, but I'm really thinking like I should just leave it as a dress because I think it would still be really cute as like a dress that I could wear as a shirt too, you know? Okay, so this is what the dress looks like, but you see the problem is the back and how like slouched it is back there, and I just wanted to like, you know, I just wanted to be normal back here, you know? So yeah, I'm kind of also thinking about cutting it into like a tube top because I think that would also be like really cute, because like you see, I just like the ruffled top of this, and I don't know how much wear I'd get out of this as a dress. I think I want to wear it as a top, but wearing the dress as a shirt is also really cute. Zazupa, zazupa, zazupa. Fuck am I talking? I'm just so bitch. Just so, bitch. I don't even know. Just so, hey. I'm too confident in this. I'm already cutting like what I'm feeling like. And this is what is giving. These are the vibes. This is the tea. Like, that. Okay, yeah. I think this is giving very Alice Cullen, very Twilight. Like, this is really eating down. Like, yeah, and then I love the fact that the back tie is up like that. Like, that's so tea. That's so tea. I knew who I was feeling like. Like, I was feeling like that bitch. Don't ever in your life motherfucking right, ayy. Motherfucker take your life, put you down the night, ayy. Put you down to sleep, ayy. Make you smell your feet, ayy. Bitch, you might just reek, ayy. Bitch, I'll hang you like a reef, ayy. What, ayy? And I'm smoking on this reef, ayy. Ayy. Put you at the bottom like a reef, ayy. Ayy. Yeah, I'm still not about to use a guide or anything. I kind of don't give a this shirt is really stretchy anyway, so like regardless it's gonna fit. Just basically try to follow the same guideline that I did with like the last collared shirt that I did. I think that it'll work. You see, when you hit top level sewing boss like me, you can eyeball stuff. Like, it don't even matter. I'm saying this like I don't mess up so much because I do that. Like, I'd avoid so many problems if I just stopped eyeballing it. But you see, I'm just a little lazy. I'm just a little lazy. I don't give a fuck either. I feel like I'm gonna have to like make the top tighter maybe, but I don't know. I'm gonna try it on first, bro. I don't got time to be doing that, and it makes it worse. Oh shit! Not it eating immediately. It's still kind of giving she needs a bra, but the lioness does not concern herself with things such as a bra. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Finally, I don't have to worry about like putting a safety pin in the back of this thing. Like, I can just freely wear it. I'm freed from the shackles of the clothes of this shirt not fitting me the way I wanted it to. It fits perfectly now. Like, I didn't even have to do the thing at the shoulders. Like, I don't know if I do want it a little higher. Nah, I really don't care, actually. For it to be a little higher, like, I guess a little higher would be a little bit better, but it's just like, doesn't really matter that much. Not really. I kind of do want to like take the end of this and maybe hem it up just a little bit. Okay, next we have this like lacy, like studded cami top, and it's so cute, y'all, right? But I don't know what to do with it, honestly. Like I'm thinking about making it to like a flared out baby doll top, but like I don't know. Like, should I try to do that, or should I just like wear it as a regular cami? Because like a regular cami is cunt too. Like